checkout line at the grab-in today. I thought we were never going to get out of there. No kidding. And did you see that smell of pork chops? Yuck. Let's get these to Tick so she can start baking. Tick, we got the mud. Hey Tick, we brought you some of your favorite ice cream, Stupendous Pigsty with extra dirt crumbs.
You see, what they didn't know was I wasn't home then. She was with me.
She's not here. Oh no, do you think the big bad wolf has her?
Well, my two brothers hurried off, worried that I'd been kidnapped by the wolf. And that's where the real fun began. My brothers searched and searched me until they came to the enchanted forest. A place that even wolves don't like to visit, but desperate to find me, they went in anyway. For hours they looked until they found a house.
Do I smell gingerbread? Yum. I love the tonsillitis around the windows.
Hey, what do you think you're doing?
Yeah, this is the part where we leave the house.
You wouldn't happen to be Hansel, would you? Or you're Gretel. Have either of you seen a pig about this high? We think she may have been taken by a big bad wolf made into dinner.
No. Hansel, Gretel, come in, my dear. I've been expecting you.
Wait, stop. I read this book so good she's real.
I was just about to send some ham dinners. Well, you bet my friends got out of there in a hurry. They kept walking until they came to the second house. At this house, they noticed 7 tiny pairs of socks hanging outside on a clothesline outside. Inside, they could hear someone singing. La 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 la.
This house looks safe. It sounds friendly, and I don't smell any gingerbread.
Yes, may I help you?
Hello, ma'am. We're here today.
I don't want any.
Ma'am, we're just looking for...
Are you selling apples? Because some nasty old lady just tried to get me for apples. And before that, some guy showed up wanting me to try to guess his name. I haven't gotten one thing done today.
Ma'am, we're not selling apples. We're looking for our sister. She's been taken by a wolf, and we're terribly worried about what's going to happen to her. Have you seen her?
Oh, how awful. What does your sister look like?
She's a pig.
That's not very nice.
No, she's really a pig.
Oh, well, I haven't seen one in all day except very pesky salespeople. I'm sorry that I can't be more help, but I really have to get back to my work. Goodbye. And so once again, my brothers continued walking through the forest, getting more and more worried. The pigs searched the entire forest without any luck. At last, when it was getting dark, they found themselves in a small town. They noticed no one was around, and the only light that was coming from was a castle on the edge of town. Carefully, the pigs made their way to the castle.
We have to find Tick. Hey, you drunk this.
No, it's supposed to stay there. You're going to ruin the story.
Wait, don't leave. Have you seen our sister? She's been taken by a wolf.
A wolf? Oh my, you must find that girl and protect her. Wait, you left to shoot, and there's a wolf out there.
Now,
The two pigs felt hopeless. They had gone as far as they could and knew it was time to go home. Scott Hammer was the next morning.
And when my brothers got back to the little brick house, feeling sad and tired and lonely, they were in for a huge surprise.
Because Tick and I were waiting for them in the kitchen.
Tick! It's the wolf. Get away from Tick, you howling bag of bones.
What are you two doing? Where have you been? I've been worried sick about you. Didn't you read my note?
No.
Yes, the note that says Tick is helping me fix my flat tire and directions where to find us, not to worry.
Oh.
I Miss Carr broke down outside our house right after you two left. You didn't think she...
You didn't think I ate Tick, did you?
Oh no, this one is vegetarian. While we were waiting for you, she showed me how to make the best spinach pie.
Here, try some.
Gee, thanks.
And there you have it, the story of the two little pigs.
And you all know how it ends.
Everyone lives happily ever after.